know that developers are in trouble? Look at this beautiful website. What this website you're looking at is actually built by AI. Really, AI is the builder of this website. I'm telling you the fact, guys. AI built this website. Look at it. This beautiful website was actually built by AI, guys. What does that mean? It means that developers are in trouble. They are in trouble, guys. With this AI, you don't really need to pay any developer to do any website. I'm only going to be showing you on this website how to on this video rather, how to build something amazing, even more than this, with just a prompt. Let's go, guys. And I'm going to start from the beginning now. All right, hold on, the website is loading. This is what is going to come up when you come on this particular website. Then the next thing you need to do is to click on login. Well, if you really want to go through the website, let us go and say magic your site, magic your site. Come on, I love the display and chart by chart. An AI web designer and developer for your site with support from the 3 amazing assistants that can bring your ideal website to life. Let's begin and start chatting. AI developer, all of this, blah 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 blah. Let's continue, right? So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to click on build your site. I'll click on build your site and it's going to take us. Okay, while we're waiting, let's wait. Why it's loading. Come on, I love the display of this website, and yeah, it's loading. Yeah, it's bringing up my workspace now. So now, as you can see, normally it's if you've not really built anything before, it's going to prompt you to create. It's going to prompt you to create an account. This was a website I created, and that was created about 37 minutes ago. And if you've not been on this website before, like if you're coming on the website for the first time, it's going to prompt you to create an account. It's going to prompt you to create an account, and that account is what you're going to use to have access to these two, so that you can build on Tether, guys. And per building is about 40. I think a build costs about 40 coin. Actually, you're going to be allotted with about 80 coin, really, and 80 coin is what you're going to use. Like, they are going to give you 80 coin to actually start the website. You know what I'm saying? That this is the token you're going to be using to create any website you want to create. And how should we start? So what you need to do here, we come to this website and we click on create a website. Click on create a website. So now I don't really want to leave anything to chance. I'm going to come to this place. I'm going to open ChatGPT. I'm going to open ChatGPT. So ChatGPT is what I'm going to open right now. So ChatGPT is going to help us to create a very, very perfect prompt. Let's say I want to actually create a website for, let's say you want to create a website for a real estate company. So I'm going to tell ChatGPT to give me a prompt. Okay, I'll say don't worry, I'm going to leave this prompt directly at the I'm going to leave this prompt directly at the description space below. I'll say give me a prompt I can use to create a website. Or let me just say I am building a website for a real estate company called, let's say, Posse Code. All right. So the tool I am using is, let's say, okay, the tool I'm using is AI Web Builder. Okay, I want you to give me a prompt I can use. Sorry, I can use to create. Do you understand now? So this is what we're going to do. I want you to give me a prompt I can use to do this. Okay, you can say let the website be beautiful with lots of good things. I don't know, with a lot of pictures and aesthetics. I don't know how to spell that. Let's see. All right. Here's a comprehensive personality. Okay, he said, all right. As you can see, it's giving me the whole of the prompt I'm going to use and all of it, and all of this, and all of this, and all of this. All right. I'm just going to tell you to summarize all of this in a simple let's say in a simple paragraph. Do you see? It's already using what I need. Then I just need to quickly copy first, then go to widget, then place this to widget. That's it. And voila, let's do it. Let's wait. Hey, sounds like an amazing program. Said you can't on free plan wherever. Yes, of course I know I'm a free plan. I know. So it's asking me for a quick suggestion. It's a quick question here. Alright, say for listing properties and services. Okay, let's say for listing properties and services. Yeah. So professional, let's get a catchy name. I already have a catchy name. Dreamy. Oh, okay, postal code, yeah. I already said. Okay, of course, English. Yeah, I love it when AI is this thorough. So website name, possibility, blah 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 blah, elegant, bros, yeah. And okay, says give me a thumbs up to confirm, and okay now, yeah. Let's see the magic. Let the magic begin. Now let's don't just create again for a digital space. Bra. So you can see the guy now started running. Come on, so beautiful, guys, so beautiful. So let's wait. Come on, my website is on the way. It's on the way. It's assembling your website and all. 97% is almost done, and you can see. Okay, yeah, it's done. Come on now. You can see the website is done, guys. The website is said discover. Come on, as you can see, I don't think. Look at it, guys. Come on. Look at it, guys. Look at this. Come on. Oh my Jesus. Haha. No. How can you say this is beautiful? This is beautiful. And depending on what your imagination is, you can do whatever it is you want to do. And you know the funniest thing, if you did not really like all of the arrangement, you can decide to edit all of this thing yourself, even with AI. Now let me show you how it's going to look like on mobile. Let's see how it's going to look like on mobile. Let me take this away. Yeah, look at it. This is how it's going to look like on mobile. View listing. If we click on view listing, yes, you can see it's there. can see why choose us. Every of those things that is needed on a real estate website is already stated here. Okay, is here. And if you do not really like any of the pictures, probably the pictures and every of those things, you can, you can just click on return to edit, and let's go to this, and you can edit anything. Honestly, guys, you can edit anything that you like. You can add sessions, you can add session that you want. You can return to, okay, I can't find it. Okay, if you don't like anything, you can return to edit. You can see if you want to change anything, just click on it and you'll be able to do it. You'll be able to change it. Okay, see. Alright, you can change anything. If there's a picture you want to change, you can also change pictures also. Let's say you're not really comfortable with this picture, you can just click on it, and you can see click on one of these and you can change. You can regenerate, you can replace image, you can resize image, and whatever it is you want to do, you can either move it up or you can delete the session. If you know that you're not really, you're not comfortable with what the person has done, you can either regenerate, or you can do all you do over yourself. You can see it comes with a front end building, guys. What else are you looking for? You can use this to build your landing page, build whatever your sales page, build whatever it is. If you're a digital marketer, this is actually going to be the best for you. And in my next video, I'm going to show you how you can use this to make money. Now let us move to how we can publish this. Now you see this website is not published yet. So what you need to do is you click on it and you click on what? Publish. Now don't forget, when you click on publish, it's going to have the extension of widget.ai. If you want to add a custom domain, that's when you're going to actually going to upgrade, and I think the upgrade does not really cost much. So this is widget.ai, and you click on publish, and as it's publishing, let's wait. As it's publishing, when it's done, now you now have your, then you click on copy. Now let's copy, and I'm going to paste it in another, I'm going to paste it on another link, and let's see what we're going to have, guys. Pause the code realestate.widget.app. Come on now, guys, look at it, how luxurious this is. It, guys, as you can see, look at it. Can you see? So elegant, very minimalistic. I love all of this. You can see every of these things can be changed on the editing app, and all you just need to do is to just click, drag and drop. If you know I've given you value on this video, please do not hesitate to drop a like, drop a comment. I'll see you in the next video. I'm still Possible. Peace out.